With finals week soon coming to a close, I kind of wanted to switch things up a bit for you guys and show you what goes into my forecasting in terms of the models that I use, as well as the techniques that I use. First things first is I like to use a spreadsheet where I can record all my temperature data, as well as any notes I took while looking at upper air models. I then began to look at model runs, specifically the upper air wind patterns, starting off at the 500 millibar height level. This is the middle of the atmosphere in which I could pretty much look throughout the entire country at where the cold air is and the warm air, as well as sinking air and rising air. We then go a little bit lower in the atmosphere to the 700 millibar height area to look for vertical velocities, which indicate areas of rising air. On Friday, Mississippi only has yellow and darker yellow shades, which indicate very broad, low amounts of rising air. Next, we go even lower in the atmosphere to the 850 millibar level, which is close to the surface. And this is where I like to look at relative humidity values, which showcases how moist the air is. Throughout Friday, Northeast Mississippi remains pretty dry up until midnight, which is where you see those greens and blues start going up Mississippi. I then go down to the surface to look at temperature predictions from both the short-term and long-term models. For the next 3 days, expect conditions to be quite cool on Wednesday and Thursday, with temperatures only reaching the low 50s, but it's going to be mostly clear for our last 2 days of finals. And on Friday, if you're sticking around maybe for graduation, temperatures will increase slightly into the mid 50s, but cloud cover will also increase as well.